Hey, food lovers and curious folks, ever found yourself staring at that golden bottle of sunflower oil and wondering, how did this magical elixir get into my kitchen? Is it made by tiny sunflower fairies? Well, no fairies here, but we're about to take you on a super fun, behind-the-scenes journey into the world of sunflower oil. And trust us, it's way more exciting than you think. And here's a mind-blowing fact. In the US alone, farmers harvest 2.5 billion pounds of sunflowers every year. That's a lot of seeds and a lot of oil. But wait, there's more. Not only will you find out how it's made, but you'll also discover why sunflower oil is kind of a superhero compared to other oils. Spoiler alert, it's packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, which makes it a heart-healthy, waistline-friendly choice. Oh, and here's a little gem you might not know. Sunflower oil is also a total eco-friendly rock star. The production process is more sustainable than you might think, so it's good for you and good for the planet. Ready to dive in, learn some oil secrets, and maybe even impress your friends with your newfound sunflower wisdom? Let's do this. Get ready to be amazed by the power of sunflower oil. Nutritional benefits of sunflower oil. All right, let's talk health. You know that sunflower oil you've got in your pantry? Well, it's not just good for frying up crispy foods, it's actually a bit of a superhero for your heart. Sunflower oil, especially the high oleic kind, can help keep your heart happy. By swapping out other oils high in saturated fats for sunflower oil, you're making a move toward lowering your risk for heart disease. The FDA even says it's so good, it can proudly claim to support heart health on its label. Talk about a stamp of approval. And here's another cool thing. Sunflower oil might just help lower your bad LDL cholesterol. So if you're trying to keep that cholesterol level in check, this oil could be your secret weapon. It's like giving your heart a little extra love from the inside. Now, before you get too excited and start using sunflower oil to solve everything, there's one thing it doesn't quite help with. Sadly, sunflower oil doesn't seem to lower blood pressure. So if you've got high blood pressure, it's not going to work miracles here. But don't worry, sunflower oil's still a win for your diet. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or just adding a drizzle to your salad, it's got some seriously heart-healthy perks. So go ahead, enjoy the golden goodness, and keep that heart of yours in tip-top shape. How sunflowers are grown and harvested. Now, we've already talked about how sunflower oil is a heart-healthy choice, packed with good fats and antioxidants. But have you ever wondered where all that goodness comes from? Well, it all starts in the fields. Let's take a closer look at how these sunflowers are carefully planted, nurtured, and harvested, all with the goal of creating a healthy, high-quality product. Picture this. It's late spring, and the soil's finally warm enough. We're talking a cozy 50 to 54 degrees Fahrenheit. No more frost in sight. And that's when the magic starts. Farmers roll up their sleeves and get down to business. First up, the soil prep. Now, this isn't your grandma's gardening rake. Oh no, we're talking high-tech machinery. Disc harrows and rotary plows come in like the ultimate garden superheroes. They break up compacted soil, improve drainage, and poof, weeds don't stand a chance. It's like the perfect spa day for the soil, ready to make those sunflower seeds feel right at home. Next, let's talk about feeding the soil. Automatic fertilizer spreaders swoop in like food delivery services for the earth. They sprinkle just the right amount of organic or mineral goodness, ensuring our sunflowers grow strong and healthy. No hungry plants around here. But wait, before those little seeds hit the soil, we've got to give them a little protection. Farmers treat them with special chemicals, kind of like giving them a tiny sunflower bodyguard to keep the pests and diseases away. Safety first, right? And then, the sunflowers start their growth journey. All summer long, they soak up the sun, drink up the nutrients, and grow tall, golden, and proud. It's like a sunflower spa, and they're all about that vitamin D. Finally, it's harvest time, the big day. With modern machines doing the heavy lifting, the sunflowers are carefully harvested. And just like that, voila, we've got the seeds that will eventually turn into the smooth, delicious sunflower oil we all know and love. Fast, efficient, and oh so tasty. Dehusking and preparing sunflower seeds. Next up in our sunflower journey, dehusking. Dehusking is the process of removing the tough outer hull, or husk, from the sunflower seed. Specialized machinery works its magic to carefully separate the husk from the kernel. The husk doesn't contain much oil, but it's not wasted. It's repurposed for animal feed or used in various industrial applications like fiberboard or even biofuels. Talk about using every part of the sunflower. Once the husk is removed, we're left with the golden kernels, which are ready to move on to the next step in the sunflower oil production process. It's break time. Sunflower seeds aren't just for making oil, they're also a delicious and nutritious snack. Packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, they're perfect for munching between meals or adding to your salad for an extra crunch. Whether you love them roasted, salted, or even raw, sunflower seeds are a versatile snack that can satisfy your cravings and fuel your day. They're not just tasty, but also full of benefits. Sunflower seeds are a great source of vitamin E, magnesium, and antioxidants, making them a heart-healthy choice. So next time you're looking for a quick, satisfying snack, grab a handful of sunflower seeds. You might just fall in love with them all over again. All right, back to the process. After dehusking, the seeds are thoroughly cleaned to remove any impurities like dirt, stones, or leftover bits of husk. This step ensures that the sunflower oil will be as pure and clean as possible. No unwanted materials in your bottle of oil. Next, the seeds are dried to reduce moisture content. This is crucial for efficient oil extraction, as too much moisture can cause spoilage during storage or reduce the amount of oil extracted. Think of it as prepping the seeds for their big moment. After drying, the seeds are sorted by size to ensure they press evenly. Seeds of similar size press more uniformly, which helps get a consistent, high-quality oil every time. Some processes even involve dehulling the seeds further, just to make sure the extraction is as efficient as possible. With the seeds all cleaned, dried, and sorted, they're ready to be pressed into that wonderful sunflower oil we all know and love. All this prep work ensures that the oil is pure, smooth, and of the highest quality, just waiting to make your next meal even better. The extraction process. Now let's talk about oil extraction, the part where we finally get that liquid gold. After the sunflower seeds are thoroughly cleaned and prepared, they're subjected to a pressing process. This is where mechanical pressure is applied to squeeze out the oil. But here's where things get interesting. There are two main methods of extraction: cold pressing and hot pressing. Let's break it down. With cold pressing, the oil is extracted at lower temperatures, which helps preserve all the natural flavors, nutrients, and antioxidants. It's like the gentle, slow-cooked method that keeps all the goodness locked in. So if you love that pure, fresh taste of sunflower oil, this is your method. But if you're looking for higher oil yields and don't mind a little loss of some of the finer flavors, hot pressing is the way to go. This method uses heat to extract more oil from the seeds, giving us a larger volume, but it can reduce some of the oil's delicate properties. Think of it like getting a bigger harvest with a bit less flavor on the side. Fun fact, cold-pressed sunflower oil is often considered extra virgin, just like olive oil, meaning it's pure and made without any heat, keeping all those healthy fats and antioxidants intact. So next time you're reaching for a bottle of oil, you'll know that extra virgin sunflower oil packs a serious punch when it comes to nutrition. After extraction, the oil isn't quite ready for use just yet. It goes through a filtering process to remove any solid particles or tiny bits of debris. This ensures that the oil is as clean and clear as possible, making it ready for the next step, refining. Purifying sunflower oil. Now that we've got our sunflower oil, it's time for the refining process to give it that perfect finish. Refining is all about making sure the oil is pure, clean, and ready for your kitchen. First, we remove any impurities that might be floating around in the crude oil. This includes things like phospholipids, which can make the oil cloudy. Nobody wants cloudy oil, right? So those get filtered out to keep things nice and clear. Next, we tackle the free fatty acids that might be lingering in the oil. These acids can mess with the oil's flavor, so they're neutralized to keep the taste fresh and clean. You want that mild, light flavor we all know and love, not something that tastes off. To give the oil that beautiful golden color, it's bleached a little. This doesn't mean the oil is losing its charm. Rather, it's getting rid of any pigments that could affect the final look. And finally, to make sure the oil smells as good as it tastes, it's deodorized. Yup, no one wants their oil to have a weird odor. This step gets rid of any lingering smells so the oil is fresh and ready to use in your favorite recipes. So, after all that refining, we're left with pure, clear, and clean sunflower oil, ready to be bottled up and sent to your kitchen. It's the final touch to ensure the best quality oil for your cooking needs. Packaging sunflower oil, from bulk to bottle. Now that our sunflower oil is refined and ready to shine, it's time for the final stage, bottling and packaging. This is where all the hard work pays off and the oil gets ready to hit your shelves and kitchen. First, the refined oil is carefully bottled into various sizes, depending on your needs. Whether you're cooking up a big family feast or just need a small bottle for your daily meals. Each bottle is securely capped to prevent any leaks or contamination, because no one wants oil spilling all over the kitchen, right? Packaging isn't just about sealing up the oil, it's also about making sure the labeling is clear and informative. Each bottle proudly displays important details like the brand name, ingredients, nutritional facts, and of course, the expiration date. This ensures you know exactly what you're getting and that it's fresh and ready to use. And here's something you might not think about: aesthetics. Packaging is designed to be visually appealing too. The shape of the bottle, the label design, and the overall look are all carefully chosen to catch your eye on the shelf. After all, you want a bottle that stands out, right? So there you have it. From farm to refinery to your kitchen, sunflower oil gets the royal treatment. Bottling and packaging may be the last step, but it's an important one to make sure your oil is safe, fresh, and looking good. Now that's what we call golden perfection. Sunflower oil versus other oils. All right, time for the ultimate oil showdown. In this corner, we've got sunflower oil, light, smooth, and ready to go. And in the other corner, we've got some well-known contenders: olive oil, vegetable oil, and canola oil. Let's see how they stack up in the kitchen. First up, taste. Sunflower oil is like that quiet superstar in your pantry, neutral and subtle, so it lets the flavors of your food really shine. Whether you're frying, sautéing, or baking, it doesn't overpower your dish. Olive oil, on the other hand, is bold and brassy. It's got that fruity, peppery punch that can take your salad or pasta to the next level. But if you try to deep fry with it, it might just steal the show, and not in a good way. Vegetable oil? It's the all-around workhorse. It's neutral, reliable, and works with just about anything. But it's a little boring in the flavor department. Then there's canola oil, vegetable oil's quieter cousin. It's also neutral, great for cooking. But just like vegetable oil, it won't add much excitement to your meal. When it comes to versatility, sunflower oil's got it made. It has a high smoke point, so you can fry up your crispy treats, bake those golden cookies, or toss a salad without a second thought. Plus, it's packed with healthy fats and antioxidants, making it a heart-healthy choice. Olive oil's perfect for that Mediterranean flair in your dishes. But when it comes to frying or baking, sunflower oil is your best friend. So whether you're whipping up a quick stir fry or making that famous crispy chicken, sunflower oil is here to do it all without stealing the spotlight. Sustainability. Sunflower oil isn't just kind to your heart, it's kind to the planet too. The production process is designed with sustainability in mind. After oil extraction, byproducts like sunflower husks are repurposed for animal feed or used as natural fertilizers, helping reduce waste and support other industries. On a global scale, the U.S. plays a key role in ensuring food security. Sunflowers are grown in large quantities, especially in states like North Dakota, which helps maintain a stable food supply, even during supply chain disruptions. So when you choose sunflower oil, you're not only getting a healthy product, you're supporting a more sustainable and resilient food system. And that's a wrap on our deep dive into the world of sunflower oil. From the fields where these vibrant flowers grow, to the careful steps of planting, harvesting, and extracting that liquid gold, we've seen just how much goes into producing the oil we use in our kitchens every day. We've also explored the health benefits, sustainability efforts, and even compared sunflower oil to other oils. Whether you're cooking up your favorite dishes or looking for an eco-friendly choice, sunflower oil has a lot to offer. Thanks for joining us on this journey through sunflower oil production. We hope you've learned something new and appreciate the care and effort that goes into every bottle of sunflower oil. Until next time, stay healthy, cook well, and keep shining just like the sunflowers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun and informative videos. See you soon.